Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize W-9 versus W-4 rules for employers step by step clearly. To authorize W-9 and W-4 rules for employers, start by understanding the differences between the two forms. W-9 is used for independent contractors, while W-4 is for employees. Begin with gathering necessary information for both forms. For the W-9, collect the contractor's name, business name, and tax identification number. Ensure the contractor fills out their tax classification accurately. Once completed, have the contractor sign and date the form. Next, move to the W-4 for your employees. Collect personal information including full name, address, and social security number. Instruct employees to follow the form's guidelines to determine their filing status. Make sure employees note any additional withholdings or adjustments they wish to include. Once the W-4 is filled out, ensure it is signed and dated by the employee. Store both the W-9 and W-4 forms securely in your records. Review the completed forms to confirm all necessary information is provided. If there are discrepancies, promptly reach out to the contractor or employee for clarification. Keep in mind legal and tax obligations associated with each form. At the end of the year, use the W-9 for 1099 reporting needs. Ensure timely submission of required forms to IRS and state entities. Regularly update these forms whenever there are changes to employment or contractor status. Establish a process for periodic review of all employee and contractor documentation. Maintain clear communication with your team regarding the importance of these forms. By following these steps, you will effectively manage W-9 and W-4 authorization for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.